But then you protected all of us, didn't you? Back in the arena. I heard all about it. You're my hero. Thanks.
Our dear sister seems troubled.
And she's not eating. She said she was too tired for the banquet, but she's not going to bed.
Perhaps the forced assembly of the warlords is still weighing heavily on her mind.
Tomorrow morning.
Big Sis!
Granny Nyon!
Yes, Margaret, is something wrong?